Hello. In this lesson, we will learn about proposition. Let's start. Proposition is a declarative statement, and the statement is either true or false, but not both. That's it. Is your mind asking what a declarative statement is? It is a sentence or equation which can be justified with true-false evaluation. Don't worry, if you do some examples, the concept will be cleared. Now we'll see some examples. Washington, D.C. is the capital of the United States of America. This is a declarative statement because Washington, D.C. could be or not be the capital of the United States of America. And it is true, only true, that Washington, D.C. is the capital. So, this is a proposition. Let's do another example. Toronto is the capital of Canada. This is a declarative statement because Toronto could be or not be the capital of Canada. And it is false because Toronto is not the capital of Canada. So, it is a proposition. Let's do some more examples. 1 plus 1 equal 2. This is a declarative statement, obviously, because this is a simple equation. All right, and this is true. So, this is a proposition. Let's do another example. 2 plus 2 equals to 3. This is a statement because it could be either true or false, or it could be evaluated as true false evaluation. As 2 plus 2 is not 3, so it is false, only false, and it is a proposition. All right, we'll go to the next example. Read this topic carefully. Think, is it a declarative statement? Someone tells you to read a topic carefully. Is she telling the truth or a lie? Nothing. So, this is not a declarative statement and this is not a proposition. All right. Our last example. X plus 1 equal 2. This is a declarative statement because x plus 1 equals to 2. It could be true or false. So, if you set x equals to 1, the statement will be true. And if you set x equals to 2, the result will be 3. So the statement becomes false. Do you remember? We learned before that to become a proposition, it could be either true or false, but not both. So this is not a proposition. I hope you understand what the proposition is. Till then, goodbye.